Congratulations with the purchase of your Amcor air conditioner. Study the manual carefully and watch this DVD before beginning installation. To install your air conditioner, you need the following tools: an Allen key, 2 adjustable wrenches, a Phillips screwdriver, a pencil and folding ruler, a 65mm cylinder saw, a long drill, a drill, and a spirit level. Place the indoor unit on a sturdy wall. Check there are no pipes in the wall. The minimum space at the top is 15 centimeters and the distance to an earthed wall socket a maximum of 1.5 meters. When the upper space is a minimum of 15 centimeters, the indoor unit can circulate air correctly. The outdoor unit should be a maximum of 4 meters from the indoor unit on a flat surface or on a wall with the optional support. Your Amcor air conditioner is supplied in 3 boxes. Unpack them carefully. Check you have all the required parts for the indoor unit. Attach the wall mounting plate to a sturdy surface which can support the indoor unit. Measure exactly, mark the screw holes and pre-drill. Ensure the correct fixing material is used depending on the surface.